Hey guys, I'm Chef Joya and this is Cooking with Compare. I'm a vegan chef. Oh, this one got a multi one. Okay. Then you also have the silken tofu. Now this tofu is gonna be mainly for like your desserts. So if you wanna make like vegan cheesecakes or add it to a smoothie or even a little bit of miso soup, that'll be great for that. I don't use many things from a can, but chickpeas is one of them. It's super easy, it's convenient, and you can save the water and actually use that for bacon and as an egg substitute as well. But this is our chickpeas and it comes in many different sizes. So you have this size, this nice size right here, especially if you're meal prepping for the week, it is amazing. And then we got this baby right here. Now you can meal prep for the whole month. And you have the perfect vegan honey mustard. And so we're gonna add that right onto here. Looks scrumptious. Now that's the pita. This is phenomenal. I'm Chef Joya. Ciao.